All right, let's get back to it. All right. Hey. No, I'm just saying all righty. I'll let you start pulling yours in, hun. Mine's close to that same path. Luckily, it's just a rail.
Thank God.
Hey, got a little bit more. I don't know if you keep hitting a rock or what that is. Does it feel like it's clicking? But yeah, I got a few more small stuff. Some kind of threads. Whole bunch of nails. Oh, Mama! I got a little bit of something here. What is it? Is it? Oh, it's a nut. I got a nut this time. So, throw it in a bucket. I did get something. Let's see here. Looks like another J bolt and another bolt. Ain't got a daggum thing again.
Don't be starting to sing Dad song.
All right, so we're gonna start heading north. One of the locals around here stopped in and gave me a couple of locations that we're gonna go try out, and because that's always the best thing with people stopping in. Like, hey, why don't you go try this place, or go try that place, or this, that, and the other. Like, well, there might be a little bit of truth to it. So we're gonna go ahead and stop in on one that we decided to pass on coming down here before we go back to Parsons. So I would like to go ahead and hit that one today if we have the time to.